So, what do you get when you mix a $60 million fund and a passion for woodworking? Apparently, a very excited startup founder. Yes, Slow Ventures, with its colossal war chest, has decided to cut its first check, and it's not for stocks or bonds, but for a guy who loves to play with wood, literally. I guess this is what they mean by timber-ing their investment. Can you imagine a venture capitalist strutting into a woodworking shop, clipboard in one hand, and a latte in the other? Just picture it. They're looking at beautiful wooden chairs and tables, drumming their fingers while thinking about ROI. Odds are, they'd rather be at a tech startup pitch, but hey, money talks, and apparently, it can also be shaped into something beautiful. Now, before you start questioning the wisdom of this investment, let's think about it. Who doesn't love a good, handcrafted wooden piece? Who can resist a beautifully built table that isn't an IKEA assembly disaster? This venture has the charm of Pinterest wrapped in the promise of profits. A true case of hitting two birds with one chisel. But here's the kicker. What's next? Will we see Slow Ventures investing in knitting or even that soap-making craze? I can see it now. Investing in sudsy startups. Honestly, if this woodworking investment pans out, they might just start a trend where every investment starts with, "Once upon a time in a workshop." Investments in creators today feel a lot like a bizarre episode of This Old House. One minute you're watching a guy with a beard talk about reclaimed wood, and the next, you're trying to figure out if this is an investment opportunity or auditioning for a DIY reality show. You know it's getting crazy when your fund manager starts speaking in planks and joints. In all seriousness, this move signifies a shift in how we think about creativity and what qualifies as a startup. If woodworking can snag a piece of the pie, might as well dust off your old Lego set and start pitching. I present to you, the Block Bank. Invest in colorful, interlocking excellence. Who knows, it might be the next big play. So, as we watch the wood shavings fly and the investments stack up, one must wonder, are we merely investing in a wooden future, or are we about to see the great woodworking renaissance? And, dear audience, are you ready to pick up your chisels and start your own masterpiece, or are we all just casting splinters in the wind? Like and subscribe, please.